keep going slower. It makes it easier.
It does. It makes it easier when you're slower at the trot. Still pulling your toes up.
Yep.
That's just, yeah. And the longer you go, the more your hands get.
Right.
Yeah.
I can't keep it. Not you, me. As if I'm just standing. As if I'm just standing. It is a lot of side to side.
Yeah, it is. It is. It's longitudinal and lateral.
If you let yourself do more side to side, it's